but haven't been paid since 3 years because Modi's government has withheld Bengal's dues. Why? Because his party lost the election. Bilkis Bano, whose rapists were forgiven and released by this government. Umar Khalid Khalid Saifi and numerous others who have spent years in jail only because they dared to criticize Modi and Shah. The 750 farmers who died outside the borders of Delhi only for protesting for their rights. Laws which were later taken back by the Prime Minister. The people of Manipur who today, as we speak, as I speak here, sir, are seeing their homes burn and their families die every day. Sir, I've had the personal privilege of experiencing justice under this government. I was locked up in a jail in Gujarat for 155 days in a case related to a tweet and a 500 rupee money laundering case. But then I found out what real justice means when my leader Mamata Banerjee sent me to this august House of Parliament where my oppressors have to see my face every day. So Mamata Banerjee understands justice and is committed to it. Social justice, as the preamble says, Mamata Banerjee brought schemes like Lokhir Bhandar and Kanya Shri. That Lokhir Bhandar was brought a long time ago. Ab ye copy kar rahe hain, Ladki Behna, Ladki Behin. It was started by Mamata Banerjee. So social justice through measures like Aparajita Bill to give justice to women who face violence, but that has not yet been passed. I don't know why the finance minister was so embarrassed even after prompting when she said women's reservation bill